In this video, I'll show you how to adjust your microphone volume in Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. I think there are two ways you can do this, like there are two very good ways. The first way is for you to click on this, right? Click on this. Okay, we mean our microphone. So I'll click on this, I'll click on my settings, wait for it to open up. Click on the settings, right? You're gonna click on the sound, right? Now you're gonna see this is our input and we are currently using a microphone, right? So you can see my voice is showing up small, right? So this is our microphone, this is the speaker. So yeah, once you're done, you can come on and adjust it from your choice, from your preference. I think from here, so it's currently in the 96. I can put it in the 100, right? So yeah, that is it. And I think the second way you can do this, just click on your stats bar, right? Click on the settings and app. Come on here and type in SDVOL, right? Click on this open. Once it has opened, you're gonna see the different sounds that are here, right? This is speaker, this is the system sound, this the microphone, and we are using our microphone, right? So if we want to adjust the volume, I can take this down, I can take it up, right? So you can adjust this through this, right? You can adjust this through this. So this, I think this is the best volume pack, right? So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I'm gonna see you all in the very next.